Okay, in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through kind of some tips and tricks into completing today's assignment. So today is called Take the Challenge, Finding the Missing Angle. So directions, use what you know about supplementary and complementary angles, 90-degree angles, triangles, etc. to navigate your way through the transversal line. And then the transversal line is just, let me do a demonstration of that vocabulary word real quick. That's when you have the two parallel lines, right? And then the transversal line is a diagonal that crosses through that, okay? So that's what a transversal line is. So to navigate your way through the transversal line to find the missing angle. So for number one, your goal is to work on making your way down to angle X. That is the particular angle that is missing. And again, we are working our ways through our straight lines and our triangles. And yes, it's called Take the Challenge because the level increases a little bit with this particular assignment, okay? So to get all the way over there to the particular angle X, there are different pieces that you can see. So one thing that I see is a straight line right here with 120. So you can find this angle piece. And then now that you have that angle, you're able to work inside of the triangle. Oops, I didn't switch colors. There we go. The triangle here. Okay, and the triangle is going to help you get this angle. Okay, we're almost to X now, and I'm sorry for my horrible writing there. And so to get all the way out there to where X is, you will be using the straight line, the angle that you got here from the triangle, and then now you're able to find X. So this particular question is going to have 3 parts to it, okay? Now let's take a look at number 2. Okay, number 2 is pretty simple if you remember the exterior angle theorem where the outside angle is the sum of the 2 remote interior angles. So that's not too tricky there. And then I want to go over number 3 for you because number 3 kind of like there's similar ones on the next page as well. Okay, so number 3, the first thing that you can start with, let's start with that teal color again. We'll just continue to make that number 1. So the first thing I see is that X is inside of my triangle. So I need to use my straight lines here to get my way inside of this triangle, right? So I need to get inside the triangle here. And then I need to use the other straight line that I see on the other side to get inside of my triangle here as well. And so now that I'm inside of my triangle, okay, so now that you're inside the triangle, I got the angle there with the 115. I got the angle there with the 135. I was able to subtract each of those separately from 180. I'm working my way inside the triangle. I have those 2 angles now. They're given to me once you do your subtraction. Now I'm able to use my angle sum to find that particular X value. Okay? So there are some other ones as you scroll down where you could be looking for these angles, but as long as you get to, like, you got to keep piecing your way through until basically, and navigating your way through basically until you reach the X value. So with that being said, now that we're inside the triangle, you'll be able to find X. And it does say that you need to submit your picture. I don't mind if you submit your picture. I don't know why I just like did all of that. I don't mind if you submit your picture separately in the little boxes, or if you scroll down all the way to the end, do a click, and then submit your particular assignment with the picture all in one at the very bottom, or if you update it to your Google Classroom assignment. So if you go to Google Classroom and you do an upload, you upload a second attachment. I don't mind, whichever one works for you. But I just want to give you guys some tips and tricks in starting off today's assignment since it was a Take the Challenge. I didn't want to just leave you guys hanging, but I also didn't want to give you guys the answers either because I wanted to see if you guys were able to actually take the challenge and make it successful. And just, again, just use your critical thinking skills and get inside those triangles and use your particular angles, knowledge there that you know about. This one, number 6, kind of uses a vertical angle. They throw that in there. So then you just need to, take the challenge and navigate your way through these triangle and exterior and interior and transversal lines. But you guys got this, I know. So best of luck to you. And again, always make sure you make a private comment or shoot me an email if you need anything. I am here for you.